A bustling diner, lunchtime rush. Smiling families, clinking silverware. Then, a lone figure sits silently. A black man named Elijah, his eyes fixed on his untouched plate. His hands clench around his coffee cup, knuckles white. The waitress, Sarah, avoids his gaze, her smile tight. A whispered comment from a nearby table, a snide remark, barely audible. But Elijah hears it. His jaw tightens, a muscle twitching in his cheek. He slowly sets down the cup, the clink echoes in the sudden hush. That evening, Elijah meticulously paints a mural on the diner's outside wall. The colors vibrant, the scene a powerful depiction of equality. He works under the harsh glare of a streetlight, his face illuminated, his movements precise. He uses bold, defiant strokes, his expression resolute. The mural depicts a diverse group of people joyfully sharing a meal. Sarah watches from her apartment window, her initial annoyance slowly fading into confusion. The next morning, the diner is crowded again. But the atmosphere is different. People stare at the mural, their faces a mixture of shock and contemplation. Sarah stands frozen, a single tear rolls down her cheek. A local news crew arrives, cameras flashing. Elijah stands calmly, his gaze unwavering. He offers no explanation, his silence speaking volumes. The following weeks see the diner's customer base plummet. Empty tables stare back, a stark contrast to the previous chaos. Sarah tries to reason with angry customers. Her desperate pleas fall on deaf ears, her face etched with fear and exhaustion. The owner, Mr. Henderson, slams his fist on the table, his face red with rage. Then, a shocking revelation. A hidden camera is found, its recordings showing Mr. Henderson's racist actions, not just against Elijah, but countless others. The footage is leaked online. Mr. Henderson's face, once arrogant, is now pale with terror. His body trembles, he collapses into a chair, his carefully constructed world crumbling around him. Months later, the diner is repainted, its new mural a collaborative effort, designed by Elijah and the community. A vibrant celebration fills the space, laughter and music abound, a sense of joy and unity prevails. Sarah, now a friend to Elijah, stands proudly alongside him. Her smile is genuine, radiant, finally at peace. Elijah smiles back, a warm and genuine expression. The sun sets, casting a golden glow on the newly painted wall, the vibrant colors a testament to the power of silent protest and the bittersweet justice found in forgiveness.